Welcome to Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about vitamin D. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a central role in many components of health. It stands out from other vitamins because your body can make most of what you need through exposure to sunlight, which is why it's often called the sunshine vitamin. Top vitamin D foods. Upping your intake of foods with vitamin D is one of the best ways to prevent a deficiency and promote overall health. Here are a few of the top sources to make sure you meet your daily needs of vitamin D. Cod liver oil, wild-caught salmon, mackerel, tuna fish, sardines, beef liver, eggs, and shiitake mushrooms. Vitamin D health benefits. Boosts brain health. Getting enough vitamin D may bump up brain power. Strengthens bones. One of the most well-known benefits of vitamin D is its powerful effect on bone density. Spending time outdoors and consuming a variety of vitamin D foods in your diet are some of the best ways to keep your bones healthy and strong. Improves immune function. Research has unearthed that vitamin D aids in cell replication and is thought to help protect against the development of autoimmune conditions and infections like the common cold. For more educational videos, please visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/c/flavorsforlife.